Hi there, superstars. It's Magi Helena. So many people are talking about manifestation, and yet for most people it's just talk. They really aren't manifesting much. So what's missing? I'm going to tell you in this video. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the US and in 40 countries worldwide to understand how to use timing to help them achieve love and success. Please subscribe right here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new videos debut. So, are you manifesting yet? If not, the very first question I have for you is this: are you using your personal right timing? Most people will tell you that timing is everything, but don't actually do anything to find and utilize their personal right timing. Right timing is one of the key secrets to manifestation. Think of timing like the weather. You can powerfully program your mind to manifest a warm day at the beach, but if in fact you're in a winter snowstorm, you're not going to have much luck. There are 2 kinds of people who are successful in manifestation: the ones who are selling their manifestation advice to millions, and the people who use right timing right along with their manifestation work. Everyone else is pretty much wasting their time and their energy, and that's an unnecessary tragedy. Whether you want to manifest love, success, or something else, there are times when it's possible and times when it just isn't. Sometimes you have to be really patient. Right timing can show you when the windows of opportunity can open for you to manifest your dreams. If the windows are closed, all you're going to do is exhaust yourself and lose hope. Don't waste all that inner work if the timing is just wrong. No one is destined to be a failure or to be alone. But most people don't really attain their dreams either. Neither right timing nor inner manifestation work is going to get you there unless you have clear objectives and are putting in the real world efforts too. But presuming you're doing the real world stuff, right timing really can make the difference between winning and losing. 30+ years of research have proven this out. You can get your personal right timing with one of my personal astrology calendars. Find out more, get info on how to calculate your right timing yourself, and get juicy coupons in the links below. Using powerful principles of manifestation, along with right timing and consistent real-world efforts, I've created the love and success I had always dreamed of. You can too. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on your personal right timing and a lot more. Get there by texting astrology to 51555. Here's wishing you the attainment of all of your dreams.